Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 4 of our continuous online learning. Nothing has changed as far as office hours, email, using Replit, copying and pasting in the comment section if you choose to turn in an activity. So this week in your Project Lead the Way curriculum, you're going to be using Python to modify a program that posts messages and gets posts to understand how social media works. So walking you through some various items here, lots of spots where you can check your code, which is nice. Should be a lot of starting help to get you going for this activity. So the activity is going to be posted on our PowerSchool class page, as well as a discussion board if you would like to answer that as well. So that is our week, activity 3.2.2. Next week will be 3.2.3, then 3.2.4, and then finally we'll finish out the year with 3.2.5. So we are really getting close to the end. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.